Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model one simple Stanley bottle, Stanley cup you can say, or bottle you can say. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render. So this is our Stanley bottle or cup you can say model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. This is very simple tutorial. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.